Hi everyone. So for this Friday fun, I have built a very basic chat app using Ollama with React. So I am using the 3 billion parameters model of Llama 3.2. So this LLM is running locally on my Mac. Okay. I'll go to VS Code. So for the front end, I have used a very basic React app using TanStack with Vite. Okay. So let me type few questions. Okay. Okay, it answered. Okay, so an inverted index also is stable inverted directory. Okay, it's answered correctly. I mean, why not? Okay, so you can find the GitHub link in the description box below. Okay, so for the steps, I have some ideas actually how to improve this application. So we'll come back in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.